everyone, I'm Instructor Dante, and today we'll be working on the out-in block. Now, to perform an out-in block, we're going to do it in a sparring stance position. While you're guard up, you slightly spread your arm out close to your ear and then execute in circular motion to the inside of your body, like so. Blocking with the inside of your arm. 1, 2. 1, 2. So let's go ahead and practice this motion with me first. Ready? 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 6, ha, 7, ha, 8, ha, 9, ha, 10, ha. Let's go ahead. We did this side, so let's do the other side. So as well, again from here, from the outside of your body, then to the inside. Quick motion. Ready? 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 6, ha, 7, ha, 8, ha, 9, ha, 10, ha. Good work. Now, we are going to assume this position again, and we're going to add a strike. Now, we will strike right after the execution of the out-in block. We're going to be doing a sideways hammer fist to the face. Now, let me show you that sideways first and how this attack will go. From here, 1 and 2. Okay, we'll go in, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let's go ahead and practice this about 10 times on each side. So on my count. Ready? 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 6, ha, 7, ha, 8, ha, 9, ha, 10, ha. Good work. Let's switch. Right to the other side again, out-in block, then sideways hammer fist. Out-in block, come in, and to the outward, sideways hammer fist. Ready? 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 6, ha, 7, ha, 8, ha, 9, ha, 10, ha! Nice work. Now let's proceed to the other side again. Now we'll do a different strike, almost similar with a sideways hammer fist, but now hitting with the back of your fist, like so. With the back of your fist, so execute the out-in block first, then proceed to the back fist with the front hand. 1, 2. Snap it. 1, 2. Let's go ahead and work on 10 times on each side. Ready? 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 6, ha, 7, ha, 8, ha, 9, ha. One more, 10, ha. And let's switch. Again, doing a out-in block, then back fist to the face. 1 and 2. Ready? 1, ha, 2,